We get deliveries in this house most days,
Yeah.
but sometimes a delivery comes and you know that everyone is going to get excited. And today is one of those days, so I thought I'd do a quick little unboxing video for you. The parcel is from wickeduncle.co.uk. You're going to have a look inside then. What is it?
These crystals.
Are they? Crystals?
Yeah.
Do you know what it is, what Zach's got?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a game.
Yeah, what kind of game is it? Looks like Zach's having more fun with the bubble wrap than he is anything else. Do you know what word that is? Jungle. Jungle what? Jungle snakes and ladders.
Jungle snakes and ladders. Let's do this now.
Are you gonna come and show us the crystal set, Gracie? Yeah, keep it still there. So what do you do with it, Gracie?
We toy and break them, and then when we break them, we can see all the crystals inside it. And there's a little mask.
That looks really exciting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
To try them soon, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.